What is going on, Pi holders? It is Ahmed, and I am back today with yet another video for you. On today, guys, we're going to talk about something very interesting regarding the price action and the movement for PiCoin and what technical analysis experts are saying in terms of a potential 200% upside swing that could actually happen within even a 24-hour window. Now, remember, as always, never financial advice, just putting you guys on the plays that I'm in. If you're new around here, smash the like button for the YouTube algorithm and consider subscribing to the channel. So the overall cryptocurrency market is very much green today. We're seeing everything begin to send, which is fantastic in terms of momentum. TA is telling us that we could potentially see new all-time highs for the entire cryptocurrency market before we start to see any more corrections to the downturn. And this could be the beginnings of the big bull run that everyone has been anticipating and expecting. But unfortunately, our biggest conviction play within the top 50 cryptocurrencies, PiCoin, is currently down 3.1% amidst what we would call a pretty bullish day for the overall cryptocurrency market. We don't love seeing this price action for Pi, but obviously right now there's just too much uncertainty within the Pi community and Pi network, and that's what's caused this continued sell-off from all-time high. There was speculation of Binance listing, of course, that kept on bringing us down and down and down, but we're gonna talk about technicals. Now, before we jump into today's video, you guys know that one of my favorite platforms now to utilize for trading is BTCC. BTCC does allow you to trade Pi USDT pairs, which is absolutely fantastic. And for those of you that are volume traders, scalp traders, or day traders, this is a great platform because it does not require KYC and it's available in every single country in the world. No KYC needed, but if you want to KYC, you can to add some certain benefits to your account, but it's globally readily available, and they're offering everybody that uses my link down below up to $10,055 in USDT, which is a stable coin, if you follow all the steps in the list here for the mission of new users. So take advantage of free money when it presents itself to you, but also consider utilizing this as a single crypto exchange that's somewhat centralized, but also in a way decentralized because of the no KYC necessary to start trading. Let's go ahead and dive in. So here is one of the things that I saw on Bankless Times. It says Pi Network forms a rare pattern. Will PiCoin surge 200% soon? Published today on the 24th of March. So it says here Pi Network price plunged in the past few weeks as its momentum waned. The PiCoin crash to a crucial support level of $1. So we know that this has been happening. Technicals suggest that the value of Pi may soon surge to a new all-time high past $3. Pi Network price technicals suggest a surge is coming. And let's look at it from a technical analysis standpoint and this huge bull flag that has been forming pretty much since the 7th day after the main net launch. So let's see what the indicators are telling us. Pi Network price technicals suggest the surge is coming. Technicals suggest that Pi may rebound soon in the coming weeks. The 2-hour chart shows that the token has recently been in a strong downtrend. It plunged from nearly $3 following the mainnet launch to slightly below $1. Pi Network's price has dropped to the 50-day period and 25-period moving averages, or EMAs. You guys know when I'm looking at it here, we're always looking at the 5, 10, and 20-day moving averages, which is depicted with the orange for 5, blue 10-day, and then the purple 20-day moving averages. So with that being said, make sure to keep those in mind as we continue the video. A sign that bears are in control for now. And according to the Mirimath Lines tool, we know that it has also moved to a strong pivot and reversal point. On a positive note, the MACD, which is one of the best indicators in my opinion, that and the relative strength index to see if a chart is oversold or overbought, has formed bullish divergence point. The same applies to the percentage price oscillator, the PPO and MACD indicator variant. So you guys know in my videos, I always like to talk about different trading indicators. One of my personal favorites and go-tos is definitely the MACD. But in addition to MACD, I like to also look at relative strength index. And right now for PiCoin, we actually have seen that, oh, pardon me, there we go. We have seen that we are actually below. Anything under 30 is oversold. Anything above 70 is overbought. And right now we are very much below the oversold category. So we are now considered in the oversold territory. Therefore, PiCoin price likely to soon experience a strong bullish breakout. The breakout may see and soar all the way to a new all-time high of $3, which is about 200% above the current level, because that's what we usually see in these descending bull flags, is at some point when this momentum shifts with any positive catalyst, whether it's Binance listing, whether it's Coinbase listing, whether it's a big network shift or change that is stated by the founders, we will see a breakout to the upside. So we should all be prepared for that bullish continuation and bullish movement. Of course, this is a drop below the support of 70 cents will invalidate the bullish view. So you guys know we've been talking about when we look back at Pi coins, pretty much first and second day, where we fell all the way down to 62, 63 cents. Right now, based off the technicals, if we fall below this 70-cent mark, which is still quite a ways down, then of course it will invalidate this bullish statement and bullish view. So the catalysts, I mentioned them. Several potential catalysts may help the price of PiCoin in the coming months. First, the coin may rebound if the developers hint at the potential token burn. A lot of people are looking forward to that. Yesterday's video, I talked about the token burn, so you can go back and watch that if you'd like. A situation in which coins are removed from the market forever, reducing the circulating supply. Token burn may help offset the fears of upcoming unlocks, which are substantial. The estimate is that over 1.6 billion tokens will be unlocked in the next 12 months. The average monthly unlock is estimated to 129 million Pi coins, which they think is too much. Second, the Pi network coin may surge if popular crypto exchanges list it. We know exchange listings are big catalysts that unlock a lot of retail money that comes into these cryptocurrencies. The most notable, of course, Binance, Coinbase, and Upbit. It is common for cryptocurrency to surge after being listed by exchanges. And the one right now that everybody is waiting for, of course, is Binance. So from a technical standpoint, I think we are looking good, and I'm hoping that we see this surge to all-time highs. Market is green. Things are looking fantastic overall. We'll see how the daily candles close for ETH, but we're hitting right around 2100 for Solana at 142.5, maybe 143. Things are looking pretty substantial, and we're seeing a lot of top gainers in the AI meme coin space overall. But just be prepared. Everybody, be prepared, not surprised. It's unfortunate that PiCoin has not followed the market in terms of price action, but I think we will see the breakout to the upside soon. Just make sure you're able to stomach the volatility. Having dry powder or cash on hand is never a bad idea in any market. But guys, that's all I had for you today. So I appreciate your support as always. And until next time, well, we come back every single day to talk about cryptocurrency news with the focus ever since the mainnet launched for Pi, because it's been so newsful. I've been talking about it on a day-to-day basis. So if you are part of the Pi network, Pi community, and one of the pioneers, contributors, people that are mining actively on your mobile platforms, which always, again, a link down below, make sure you continue supporting. I appreciate you all so much. And until next time, as always, keep investing. Peace.